Hello everyone, my name is Rachel, and if you're a new viewer here, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you're an old viewer here, welcome back, and I'm happy to see you here. And in today's video, I'm gonna talk or give my feedback or review with this hair product which I am currently using. And this hair mask product is enriched with argan oil, the active ingredients, and it has also contained shea butter deep conditioning, which makes nourish your hair and gives a vibrant and healthy looks. So if you have a thick, dry, and dull hair, I would recommend this product as it really works for me. And this hair mask product helps repair your damaged dry hair or dull hair, and it helps makes your hair healthy, soft, and shiny. Disclaimer lang guys, this is not a promotional video. I'm sharing this product, I'm sharing this video based on my personal experience. So without further ado, let's begin. This is Max Care Brazilian Keratin Argan Oil Hair Mask, and it contained with keratin protein and enriched with argan oil active ingredient with anti-static properties to thoroughly alleviate the irritation to your scalp while rejuvenating and revitalizing damaged hair caused by hot styling tools and environmental elements, which makes your hair refreshing and lustrous and easy for styling. It contains shea butter, deep condition, and nourish your hair for a vibrant and healthy look. So this hair mask product can help repair your dry, damaged, and dull hair. So as you can see, it's very soft, the hair is so shiny, and it makes your hair looks healthy. So directions: just apply an appropriate amount of hair mask, Brazilian keratin, to your hair after shampoo and leave for 10 to 20 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. Or you can also use a hot towel or steamer. So as you can see guys, it's very shiny and very silky as well. So that's why I want to recommend this hair mask product. So that's all guys, and thank you for watching.